Hey, come here, baby. Sometimes you got a sweet tooth, but also want something good for breakfast. So let's get into this French toast with a banana foster on top. And I know it may seem like a lot of sugar, but trust me, it really ain't that much. So first thing we need to do is make us a custard. We're gonna throw in 2 whole eggs, vanilla extract, some nutmeg, cinnamon. I'll grab a pinch of salt and about half a cup of some whole milk. And just so your French toast don't taste plain, make sure you add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now grab your skillet and we're gonna make sure we warm this to medium heat and add a tablespoon of butter. Now grab you some Texas toast and dip that right into that wet mixture we made. Now, me personally, I don't like soaking mine into this wet mixture. I like to dip mine on one side, turn it over, and put it right into the skillet. Now, if you don't pay attention to your French toast, it's so easy to burn them. And please don't ask me how I know. Just take my word for it. Trust me. Make sure you fully cook these French toasts. They still shouldn't be soggy in certain areas, but they also shouldn't be dry. It should be soft, fluffy, moist, and then we top everything off with some of this banana foster, and it's the icing on the cake. But y'all must definitely get this recipe a try, and I'm gonna give y'all the sauce on this banana foster. So y'all stay tuned.